Hairstyle na pwede ring pang graduation style? Well, you're on the right page. And for today, ang model ko is si Elizabeth, my 2-year-old daughter. Back to another video of hairstyle tutorial. Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, I made this hairstyle tutorial for one of my friend na nag-request dahil graduation nga ng anak niya. Naghanap siya ng hairstyle na pwede pa ring lagyan ng toga. Kaya naman naisip ko yung ganito. Bakit kasi kapag ponytail, diba? Tapos nilagay mo yung toga. So, aangat or medyo kailangan mababa yung hairdo. And good thing with this hairstyle, pwede siya sa long and short hair or shoulder length hair. So, ayan. Diba? Madaling-madali lang siya. Itatay lang natin yung hair sa side. Then, let's flip. Let's divide the hair into 2 equal parts. Let's braid it. And then, ta-da! Of course, nilagyan ko na rin ng ribbon. You can put any types of hair dress that you wanted. Pwedeng flower, ribbon, or mga kung anong design yung gusto nyo ilagay. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, she looks happy with her hairstyle. Good thing about my little one is sanay siyang ayusan ng buhok. Pero mamaya-maya lang, magulo na naman yan. You know, toddlers. So, that's for now, my very short video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Have a nice day. Always remember, gawin natin sa pag-ibig ang lahat ng ating ginagawa. And may we always do great good things that will help and inspire others. Thank you so much. Bye!